Oh, it's early in the morning here. Another beautiful fall day is upon us. The fish are hungry, the birds are hungry, I'm hungry, Karen's hungry. Oh my God. We are really taking advantage of this fall weather. Now today will be a relatively short ride for me. I have to be back here to take care of Miles. He's getting out of school early today. But in the meantime, we'll still get some riding in. We have just been able to sneak in rides where normally, sometimes we in the past, we haven't been able to sneak rides in. And my motto always is, ride when you can, because the time we have is limited. Very, very soon, we'll be coming up on the restoration season where you get up in the morning and it'll be snowing or it'll be too cold or whatever. And I always like to take advantage of any day I can to ride. And I think today we're going to have, because we have a short ride, we'll take a little two-stroke ride. Now, any day I get to ride the two-strokes, it's just a little bit more fun for me because I have all these great memories of when these bikes were dominating the whole world around here. That's all we did was smell two-stroke oil. Now I hear the birds chirping already. I see the fish are ready. Oh, I'm talking about the fish are always ready. We had a terrible algae bloom this summer for a couple of months. That algae is all gone now. And one of the things that's happened, before I get to feed the fish here, the water is turned into crystal clear water, and my good friend Dave Midgley, of course, who raises fish also, he's helped me figure out how to get this algae under control, and it looks perfect right now. And the problem is with fall, you never know when it's going to end. Fall becomes winter very quickly, and when it does, we very quickly convert to restoring these old bikes. Now the coffee is brewing and I just can't wait. Oh, it is just looking like it's going to be a beautiful fall day. I'm not sure if fall is any more beautiful anywhere in the country than it is here. And we still have the orange tree. The tree by Gil's house is getting yellow. It's even going to get nicer in the next couple of weeks. But it's time to get out on the open road. A two-stroke day. we had a few clouds roll in. The temperature dropped a little bit, but other than that, it was a beautiful ride. It was a beautiful day. Not much not to like, except that now we got to go get another gallon of two-stroke oil. Never forget the two-stroke oil. So hope you enjoyed the video, especially if you like two strokes, and thanks for watching.